It's cute, right? Ain't gotta do too much. Ain't gotta do too much. Cute. That's what we need. This bitch, who? Why the fuck? It's so cute. It's so cute. And it's cute without even doing the baby hairs. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the wig over to my sink and give it a good wash because today I got time. And of course, if you got time, go ahead and wash your wigs, guys. Honestly, the wig can definitely be, or probably is, dirty and needs to be washed. So if you got time, go ahead and wash your wig, girl. So I'm going to be using this Suave Tropical Coconut Nourishing Shampoo. This just costs you a couple dollars. It's cheap, but it works so well. I even use it on my real hair. That's just how fantastic it is. So before I shampoo this wig, I am just going to run it under warm water like so. And when I run my wigs under water, I like to have control of the hair just so that hair is not going everywhere. So obviously in the video right here you see me applying shampoo to the hair once the wig is saturated with water, and what I did was apply the shampoo directly on the top of the wig, and now I'm using my fingers to pretty much lather the shampoo into the wig. You're also going to see throughout the video there's literally no fallout in my sink because of the technique that I do when it comes to washing my wigs. So when it comes to washing your wigs, you want to wash your wigs after every install. And of course, washing your wig after every install is just going to give you a new, fresh wig, removing any previous styling product, product buildup, oils and things like that. And of course, if you are just getting a brand new wig, you want to go ahead and wash your wig if that is an option for you, because most of these wigs come pre-styled and they do have chemicals in them. So I would just go ahead and wash them just to make sure you don't have like an allergic reaction to some of the chemicals that is already in these wigs just because they are pre-styled. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the shampoo out, follow up with some conditioner, your favorite conditioner, let it sit for a couple minutes just to add moisture back into the wig. And so once I rinse all the conditioner out, I just simply use my hand and squeeze all the water out, and then I let my hair air dry, and then the next day this is what I get. Hey y'all, so I had stopped making wig videos for a while because I just wanted to take a break and focus in on some other type of content. Got somewhere to be today, so I'm gonna insert a clip of me washing this wig or whatever. This is what the wig looks like. With layers already, so I'm pretty much in a rush right now. I got somewhere to be, but I wanted to go ahead and throw this wig on. Then when I get back, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the wig, and I'm going to reinstall it tomorrow. But I got somewhere to be, and I really wanted to install this wig today because it comes pretty much ready to go. And how ironic is that one thing that I love about Myfirstwig is they literally ship wigs that is ready to go, and I can do the bare minimum and I can be out the door. So perfect timing. So let's get into it. So here's the details on this wig. This is a 14-inch lace frontal wig. This wig comes with layers already. The knots already come bleached. The lace already comes plucked, and the lace already comes cut. So you don't have to do anything to this lace. So you don't have to do anything to the lace on the wig. Now with the cap, I did go ahead and put makeup on my cap because it's just a thing that I do just to give it a little bit more of a transparent look. Now with this wig, it does come with the elastic band. You can remove the elastic band by just detaching these hooks right here. It does come with the little strap right here where you can use the elastic and just tighten it if it's still not giving you that snug fit that you want, because of course this wig is going to give you that glueless look where you don't have to use any type of glue with this install. I don't know why I look shrinked. Hold on. I don't know. Maybe I had the camera up too high, girl. I don't really know. And I always get my wig caps like a small if I'm installing the wig. But if Marquis is installing the wig, I need a medium. Okay, and so basically what I'm doing right here is making sure the lace is not folded underneath, because a lot of the lace, I don't get a lot of the lace because they cut off a lot of the lace. So this is the hairline. And like I said, there's very little lace. See that? Very little lace. Literally. But the knots on this wig is so small, up so y'all can see. I just only got this big ass clip, so hold on, y'all. Okay. Okay, and one thing I like about the elastic band thing too that I need to add is like sometimes with these wigs, when you go glueless, it may kind of gap with the lace, and with the elastic band that you pull, it's not going to give that. It's so not going to get that. It's going to allow the lace to lay flat on your head. So that's one thing I will say that I do love about using the band. Okay, hold on. Not bad for right out the pack, right? Not bad. Not bad. And especially because it already come layered. That's what I like. Layer me down, boo. Like, it's definitely giving it's growing out of my scalp, but ooh, it's giving big forehead. right? Ain't gotta do too much. Ain't gotta do too much. Cute. Cute. Ain't gotta do too much. That's what we need. I love this. It's so cute. Okay, honey. I had to be quiet and had to lock in. I still feel like this side got way more layers. I guess it's just how some people cut. You know what I'm saying? Like some people cut better on one side than they do on the other side. Or it might just be the way I curl. Like I might have just curled. Yeah. For me, whenever you see this length, just know that this is this wig. Just know that. Just know this about to be my summer go-to wig. Cause what? Yeah. Short hair baddies, lock in. I need y'all to lock in, mamas, cause this girl, can't tell me this ain't my hair. Can't tell me this ain't a fresh wrap, a fresh doo-wop wrap with the takedown. Can't tell me this ain't my hair. Look at that. Look at the body in this. Did y'all see how this wig looked at first? And with a little bit of curls did to this wig. Like not even too much. Not even too much on this. Yeah. This me. Yeah. Cause I was real nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't know if I wanted to do this, but I'm doing it. Getting this installed tomorrow. Cause this bitch, why the fuck not? It's so cute. It's so cute. And it's cute without even doing the baby hairs. Okay. So like I told y'all, I gotta go. Handling business baddies? Yeah. Lock in. This for you. All day. All day. Girl, please. This what I need. This is what I need. All right, I gotta go. Bye, y'all.